Right on.
Eight bikes lined up at dawn, chrome winking in the sun. One by one we rode on out like we knew where we belonged. Tank full and the map half folded, coffee gone and hearts half wild. Heading north on the ribbon road with the whole day stretched out wide. Blue sky leaning low, Maine wind through our sleeves. Lakes ahead, trees all green, and the road kept asking please. Ride on, we were made for this road. Ride on, with the sky burning gold. Hate strong, hate free, through the pines and the spray. Ride on, to the end of the day. Ride on, past small barns and split rail fences, past a dock with boats asleep. Blacktop turning to back roads where the hills got soft and deep. Fish jumped silver in the coves and the forest stood like a choir. Every turn gave us a postcard, every mile fed the fire. Blue sky leaning low, Maine wind through our sleeves. Lakes ahead, trees all green, and the road kept asking please. Ride on, we were made for this road. Ride on, with the sky burning gold. Ain't strong, ain't free, through the pines and the spray. Ride on, to the end of the day. Ride on, No hurry in the mirrors, no worry in our veins, just the hum of 8 good engines and the promise after rain. We laughed at every bend, we waved at every farm. The whole wide world felt simple with that sun on our arms. Ride on, we were made for this road. Ride on, with the sky burning gold. Ain't strong, ain't free, through the pines and the spray. Ride on, to the end of the day. Ride on, to the end of the day. We arrived at Mount Blue State Park, enjoying lunch, surrounded by a breathtaking landscape.